Okay, so this is by Quest of Bella and Hero about paano mag-collide yung player into another objects like house or trees. Okay, so let me show you. So for now, wala siyang collision. Okay, so lalagyan natin yan ngayon. Okay, so first off, you go to your tileset resource. Okay, then hanapin mo yung object na gusto mong may collision. So this house right here, kasi itong house na to may collision na to eh. So ito is wala. Okay, so click this house, and then um, click this new rectangle right here, then click a tile. Okay, oh no, oh no, actually we're going to do a polygon. Okay, hold up. Right. Um, set this. Yo, hold up. Yeah, and um, this. Oh, yo, wait, where? No. Right. So save. So you'll see straight out. Right. That's collision now. Okay. Or you can just pwede mo rin siyang isahin, pero it doesn't seem to work straight out with the tree. Okay, so this tree collision. Wait, what? Yo, bro, hold up. Yeah, I think that'll work. Yeah, see, this tree has a collision now, and pati na rin yung house. Okay, see.